Please note the screener has changed and now directs you to the Government of Ontario's COVID-19 School and Childcare Screening. To start, open your internet browser. Once open, visit publicboard.ca and click on the link in the banner at the top of the page that directs you to the self-assessment tool. Once you arrive on this screen, please select the category to which you belong: elementary student, secondary student, parent or guardian on behalf of a student in a STEPS or GAINS program, employee, or visitor. Log in with your GEC DSB credentials. After you log in, please read the text in the blue box. This text will help you determine if you are considered fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Please note that the tool is translatable. Click on the drop-down box in the top right corner to select a different language. Please click on the link that will lead you to the Government of Ontario's School and Childcare Screening. Please read this page carefully before starting the assessment. To start, click on the blue button at the bottom of the page or click on the link underneath to access a printable PDF version of the assessment. Please read each question carefully to make sure your responses are accurate. Once you complete the assessment, please go back to the tab that has the GEC DSB self-assessment tool open. Please make sure you are logged into your account and not another family member who may use the computer. To log into a different account, please click Return to Previous Page. If you are logged into the correct account, please declare your result by clicking either Go to School or Do Not Go to School. If you are working at another GEC DSB location, please select the location you will be attending that day and click Exit.